Castor oil has amazing properties and is one of the most highly penetrating oils on earth. Consider the synergy between such a penetrating oil and transdermal DMSO, which is highly penetrating itself. The combination of DMSO and castor oil is excellent for pain, stiffness, injury, scar tissue formation, and other growths. In this video, I will demonstrate how I use it for my husband back pain, which he developed as an athlete and going to gym. Please note, this is just my experience I am sharing with you, and it should not be considered as a replacement for a medical treatment or medical consultation. And as always I say, if you are on any medication or under any ongoing treatment, you must consult your physician before going ahead and incorporation DMSO in your lifestyle in any form. Okay, let's get into the video where I show you how I prepare DMSO solution first and how I use it with castor oil for my husband back pain. For this procedure, we need DMSO, which should be 99% pure pharma grade, organic hexane-free cold-pressed castor oil, distilled water, and a lidded glass jar. First, we prepare the DMSO solution. I am preparing 70% solution for this procedure, but if you think you have sensitive skin, you can prepare 50% solution. 70% solution means 30% distilled water and 70% DMSO. And also always patch test the solution on your skin before applying. Once you add the distilled water into the DMSO, you will see a foggy liquid has been formed in the jar, which is normal, and also the jar will feel warm to the touch. Once the DMSO solution is prepared, we can start using it with castor oil for back pain. Apply a thin layer of castor oil over the treatment area, making sure the skin is clean and dry. Then pat on DMSO over the oil and let it work in for about 10 minutes. Either leave the mixture on the skin or after about 20 to 30 minutes, wash off the oily residue with baking soda solution of 1 teaspoon of baking soda in 1-2 cup of water. I personally don't wash it off and let it be. I cover it with a cotton pad for 20 minutes. Keeping the area warm is optional but not necessary, as DMSO will warm up the castor oil on its own. But you can place a hot water bottle if you like. Continue this process twice a day, morning and evening, until you will feel the pain is reducing. I have linked the best DMSO and castor oil for this process from country of your choice at the description of this video and the first comment, and you can order for yourself. See you in the next videos.